Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should stay here and look a little bit above, and you will find there the flight and the hotel options. In this case you have to click on the hotel. And the very first thing you need to do is select the destination where you want to go precisely. So for example, you want to go to Dubai, you write it in and you select basically where exactly do you mean that. And after that you have to select the check-in and check-out date and press done. And finally you have to select the room and the guest, so how much room for how much guest, and after that you just press done and press search hotel. Now you need to wait a little bit until it loads in. And you can see that there are 36 properties found for this search, so it's quite a huge number. Now of course we are talking about Dubai, so it was expected, but basically you can find here any kind of hotel that you want. And I'm sure that it's not only in Dubai, but you can find in your own destination where you want to go hotels as well pretty easily through this method. And after that you just click on hotel, you see all the details about it, and if you like it and you're okay with it, you can just proceed with buying a reservation basically. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.